I was happy.
क्या आप भूल गई थे?
I forgot.
आप कैसे भूल जा चुके थे?
You left.
You
were
left.
gone.
मैं बिजी था।
I was busy.
आप कहाँ बिजी थे? आपको क्यों रुकना पड़ा?
Why you had to?
So very warm good evening everyone. Good evening sir. And my YouTube family. Hope all you are doing very well.
Yes sir.
Today in this session I just would like to ask some past sentences to you and you have to translate in English.
Okay, sir.
So are you ready Niharika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you excited?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Okay. So simply मैं आपसे past के कुछ sentences discuss करेंगे and then you have to speak directly in past. Okay? चलिए. मैं खुश थी.
I was happy.
क्या आप खुश थे?
Were you happy?
आप खुश क्यों थे?
Why were you happy?
मैं भूल गई.
I forgot.
आप कैसे भूल गए?
How did you forget?
How did you?
Forget.
क्या आप भूल गए?
Did you forget?
क्या आप नहीं भूले?
Didn't you forget?
क्या मुझे भूलना चाहिए था?
Should I?
Should I have
Should I
forgotten?
Okay.
Speak.
Should I have forgotten?
लेकिन
But
मैं आपसे मिलना चाहती थी.
I wanted to meet you.
क्या आप मुझसे मिलना चाहते थे?
Did you want to meet me?
लेकिन
But
आप जा चुके थे.
you left.
You
were
left.
gone.
You left. No, go का यूज नहीं करते, left का यूज करेंगे.
You left.
You left. इसलिए
That's why
मैंने आपका इंतजार किया.
I waited for you.
I
Waited for you.
मैं आपको कॉल कर रही थी.
I was calling you.
लेकिन
But
क्या आप मुझसे परेशान थे?
were you sick of me?
मैं आपसे परेशान नहीं था.
I wasn't sick of you.
लेकिन
But
मैं पोल्यूशन से परेशान था.
I was sick of pollution.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं मुंबई चला गया था.
I went to Mumbai.
आप मुंबई में कहाँ रहा करते थे?
Where did you live in Mumbai?
Where did you used to live in Mumbai?
Where did you used to live in Mumbai?
मुझे नहीं मालूम था.
I didn't know.
I didn't know. इसलिए
That's why
मैंने आपको कॉल किया.
I called you.
मैं बिजी था.
I was busy.
आप कहाँ बिजी थे?
Where were you busy?
मैं आपको मिस किया करता था.
I used to miss you.
I used to.
Miss you.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता था.
I wanted to meet you.
मुझे आना पड़ा.
I had to come.
क्या आपको आना पड़ा? Did you have to?
Did you have to come?
मेरे पिताजी को आना पड़ा.
My father has to come.
My father had to come.
Sorry, had to come.
Again.
My father had to come.
आपकी मजबूरी क्या थी?
What was your compulsion?
जॉब करना मेरी मजबूरी थी.
Doing job was my compulsion.
Doing job was my.
Compulsion.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे जाना पड़ा.
I had to go.
मेरी फैमिली को जाना पड़ा.
My family had to go.
लेकिन
But
आपने कितना पैसा कमाया?
how much money did you earn?
मुझे नहीं पता था.
I didn't know.
मेरे पिताजी को पता था.
My father knew.
इसलिए
That's why
आपको उनसे पूछना चाहिए था.
you should have asked him.
क्या मुझे उनसे पूछना चाहिए था? Should I have?
Should I have asked him?
लेकिन
But
जब तक मैं जागी वह जा चुके थे.
when I woke up,
By the time I woke up,
by the time I woke up,
he had gone.
He had gone.
लेकिन
But
आपने उन्हें कॉल क्यों नहीं की?
why didn't you call him?
मेरे पास उनका नंबर नहीं था.
I didn't have his number.
इसलिए
That's why
मैं कॉल नहीं कर सकी.
I was not able to call.
या I couldn't call.
I couldn't call.
I couldn't call. लेकिन
But
जब तक मैं यहाँ पर आई वो जा चुका था.
by the time I reached here, he had gone.
आप क्यों नहीं गए?
Why didn't you go?
जब तक मैं मेट्रो स्टेशन पहुंची मेट्रो जा चुकी थी.
By the time I reached metro station,
The metro
had gone.
had gone, steamed off या left या departure. Okay? इसलिए
That's why
मुझे आना पड़ा.
I had to come.
I had to.
Come.
मुझे बोलना पड़ा.
I had to speak.
मुझे रुकना पड़ा.
I had to stay.
आपको क्यों रुकना पड़ा?
Why you had to stay?
क्या आप भूल गए?
Did you forget?
मैंने आपको बताया था.
I told you.
मैं मूवी देखना पसंद किया करती थी.
I was fond of watching movies.
I was fond of.
Watching movies.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे जाना पड़ा.
I had to go.
मुझे कमाना पड़ा.
I had to earn.
मुझे बोलना पड़ा.
I had to speak.
मुझे पैसों की जरूरत थी.
I needed money.
क्या आपको पैसों की जरूरत थी?
Did you need money?
Did you need?
Money.
आपको कितने पैसों की जरूरत थी?
How much money did you need?
अब क्या फायदा?
Hmm.
There is no use of crying over the spilled milk. बोलिए.
There is no use of crying
Over the
spilled milk.
मैं जा चुकी हूँ.
I am gone.
मैं जा चुकी हूँ. I have left.
I have left.
I left.
I left.
I left. इसलिए
That's why
मुझे जाना पड़ा था.
I had to go.
मैं इंग्लिश बोला करती थी.
I used to speak English.
आप इंग्लिश क्यों बोला करते थे?
Why you used to speak English?
Why did you used to speak English?
Why did you used to speak English?
मेरी फैमिली इंग्लिश बोला करती थी.
My family used to speak English.
मेरा भाई इंग्लिश बोला करता था.
My brother used to speak English.
मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ी.
I had to speak English.
मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़ा,
I had to lie.
उसे झूठ बोलना पड़ा,
He had to lie.
he had to,
Lie.
इसलिए
That's why.
उसे झूठ क्यों बोलना पड़ा,
Why he had to lie.
why he had to,
Lie.
मैं नहीं जानती थी,
I didn't know.
मुझसे मत पूछिए,
Don't ask me.
वो मुंबई में था,
He was in Mumbai.
वो ट्रैफिक से परेशान था,
He was sick of traffic.
वो स्मोक से परेशान था,
He was sick of smoke.
मैं आपसे ऊब गई थी, I was fed up with you,
I was fed up with you.
मैं आपके बिहेवियर से ऊब गई थी,
I was fed up of your behavior.
अगेन,
I was fed up of your behavior.
लेकिन
But
उसके पास गाड़ी थी,
he had a car.
क्या उसके पास गाड़ी थी,
Did he had a car?
उसके पास पैसा भी था,
He had money.
ऑल्सो
He also had money.
he had,
He also had money.
आप कैसे भूल गए,
How did you forget?
how did you,
Forget.
क्या मुझे आना चाहिए था,
Should I have come?
अगेन,
Should I have come?
क्या मुझे सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए था,
Should I have celebrate?
क्या आपने मेरा लैपटॉप देखा,
Did you see my laptop?
आपने अपना लैपटॉप कहाँ रखा,
Where did you
Put.
put your laptop?
मैं भूल गया,
I forgot.
आप कैसे भूल गए,
How did you forget?
मैं जल्दी में था,
I was in hurry.
I was in,
Hurry.
लेकिन
But
आपने मुझसे प्रॉमिस किया था,
you promised me
आप आओगे,
you will come.
you would come,
You would come.
क्योंकि पास्ट का सेंटेंस है तो विल नहीं आएगा, वुड आएगा, you would come, लेकिन
But
आप नहीं आए,
you didn't come.
आपने मुझे धोखा दिया,
You failed me.
आपने मुझे धोखा क्यों दिया,
Why did you fail me?
why did you,
Fail me?
आप मुझे धोखा क्यों देते हो,
Why you always fail me?
why do you
Why do
always,
you always fail me?
मैं आपको धोखा नहीं देता,
I don't fail you.
मैंने आपको धोखा नहीं दिया,
I didn't fail you.
आपने गलत समझा,
You misunderstood.
you,
Misunderstood.
क्या आपने मुझे समझाया,
Did you
make me,
make me understand?
मैं भूल गया,
I forgot.
मैं बिजी था,
I was busy.
वह बिजी था,
He was busy.
खाना तैयार था,
The food was ready.
आपने खाया क्यों नहीं,
Why didn't you eat?
मैंने आपको बताया था,
I told you.
मुझे दिल्ली जाना पड़ा,
I had to go Delhi.
आपको दिल्ली क्यों जाना पड़ा,
Why you had to go Delhi?
मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे बुलाया,
My father called me.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे जाना पड़ा,
I had to go.
मुझे माफ कर दीजिए,
Forgive me.
उसे माफ कर दीजिए,
Forgive him.
उसने मुझे इन्फॉर्म कर दिया है,
He has informed me.
he had या he informed me,
He informed me.
पास्ट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट ना, पास्ट के बारे में बात करें तो पास्ट के लिए होगा, he informed me,
He informed me.
लेकिन
But
मैंने आपको गाली देते हुए देखा,
I saw you abusing.
मैंने आपको जाते हुए देखा,
I saw you going.
उसने मुझे गाली देते हुए देखा,
He saw me abusing.
इसलिए
That's why
उसे भूल जाओ,
forget him.
मैं उसे भूल गया,
I
I forgot.
forgot him.
अगेन,
I forgot him.
मैंने स्मोक करना छोड़ दिया,
I stopped smoking.
या यू कैन से आई गिव अप स्मोकिंग,
I gave up smoking.
इसलिए
That's why
मेरे पिताजी मुझ पर गर्व करते हैं,
my father is proud of me.
मुझे क्या करना चाहिए,
What should I do?
मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता था,
I wanted to meet you.
वो आपसे मिलना चाहता था,
He wanted to meet you.
उसके पास कुछ था,
He had something.
उसने क्या आपको नहीं बताया,
Didn't he tell
Didn't
you?
he tell you? उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया,
He didn't tell me anything.
लेकिन
But
वो मुझे बताना चाहता था,
he wanted to tell me.
काश मैं अमीर होती,
I wish I was rich.
आई वर रिच,
I were rich.
मैं गाड़ी खरीदती,
I
I
would. I would.
परचेज,
I would purchase a car.
आई वुड परचेज अ कार,
Car.
अगर वो मुझे कॉल करता तो मैं जाती,
If he
if he
called, I would have gone.
I would go,
I would go.
if he called me I would go,
If he called me, I would go.
अगर वो मुझे इनवाइट करता तो मैं जाती,
If he invited me, I would go.
लेकिन
But
मैंने चाय पसंद की,
I
Liked.
liked tea.
क्या आपने चाय पसंद की,
Did you like tea?
मैं चाय पसंद किया करती थी,
I used to like tea.
मैं खेलना पसंद किया करती थी,
I used to like play.
मैं खेलने की शौकीन थी,
I was fond of playing.
सो होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, यू एंजॉयड वेरी वेल.
Yes, sir.
तो दिस इज द सेशन ओनली वी डिस्कस, मोस्टली वी डिस्कस अबाउट पास्ट सेंटेंसेस. थैंक यू.